everyone and welcome to my channel. Arte channel. Yan. So, this is my first time to record myself and post my videos to social media. So, please be kind na. Kasi the reason why I'm doing this is I wanted to be 40 pounds lighter by the time that I am 40, which is gonna be on March next year. So, right now, I am at 183 pounds. That's around 83 kilos. So, I'm at 183 pounds. Today is October 29. So, it gives me roughly around 5 months to be successful in that journey. So, hopefully by end of March, I'm giving myself end of March to lose the 40 pounds. So, basically, nasa 143. Ay, Nax, I love you. Nasa 143 na lang ako if I achieve my goal of losing 40 pounds. No? So, hopefully, makaya. So, kung sa 5 months, sa isang buwan, 4 weeks, so, 40 divided by 5, 8. So, around 2 pounds per week. I think medyo healthy naman na siya and attainable. The key lang doon is to be consistent. Hence, I am publishing this video, di ba? Normally kasi, if I do it privately, ang mali-disappoint ko lang sarili ko. Pero if I share it to the public, di ba? And, wala, nakahiyaan na. Sinabi ko na yung weight ko, sinabi ko na yung target ko, di ba? So, yun na yun. So, every day I'm gonna post a video of myself. Progress lang din. Huwag sana kayo maumay and sana din may mga changes na mangyari. I'll try to upload as many videos or as many contents as I can. Kung hindi videos, photos, photo collages para at least ma-monitor ka din yung progress ko. And for those who wants to, ewan ko kung bored kayo, gusto nyong i-monitor or gusto nyong subaybayan yung progress ko, you're all welcome. And if you want to join, please send me a message. Yun lang. Thank you guys. Bye.